Hey guys, I'm Pineapple Brain. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a admin shop. First, I have prepared 4 items. They are having a normal item tag and a VIP item tag respectively, and they are for normal person and admin or VIP person. We will create 2 shops for these items, so go to shops and click add new, and we will first create a shop for normal people, so we will have normal item, and we will create another shop called admin shop, or you can change it to VIP shop, so it depends, and we will have normal item as well as VIP items. And we will go to global variables and create a new string. So here choose string and I will call it authorized people. So in the value, you could just simply place the person name. So I will put UYB brain 2 as well as use your brain, which is both of my account. And this authorized person, we will have a comma in between the name and we will use them later. And then we will move back to player and we will click into a player and we will create another variable which is a entity variable called is authorized. So this data type we will choose boolean and the default value is false. So we will click save. You will need to do this process for all player types that players would change to, because when a player changes their player type, the variable might lost. So after we finish the environment things, we'll move on to the script. Go to player join and create a new action, and we will choose if else then, and if a boolean. So here boolean we don't need to change it, and we will choose a string contains string function. String contains string if a string. So we've already made a global variable string authorized people contain. We will use concatenate and we will first put a comma here, and second we will use another concatenate and put a comma at the end, and in the middle we will choose player name. So last triggering player's name. You might wonder why we need to have a comma at the front and at the back of the name. It's because some players have a very short name. They might have just 3 words like ABC, but actually there are many players, and if the player have a longer name like ABCDEFG and ABC is in ABCDEFG, so when we give permission to ABC without comma, ABCDEFG will also be having a permission. So we will need a comma to exclude those people, and just the person we are going to give permission could have that access. So let's click OK. So we will need to mark those authorized people, and we could be easier to use the action again. So let's create a new action, set player variable. Set is authorized of triggering player as true. So we mark those authorized people. They are allowed to open the VIP shop or doing other special access thing that you want to do, but we will just do the shop first. Afterwards, we will need to create a new script. So create a new script and I will call it open shop. So we will make an action for us to open shop if else then if and we will choose a boolean if an player variable is authorized, because we will press the key B to open the shop, so we would need to choose a player which is owner of a unit, owner of last ability casting unit, which casts the key B for us. So owner of last ability casting unit is true, we will open. So open shop for player. So open shop, we will just open admin shop for them. Open admin shop for owner of last ability casting unit. And we will duplicate this open shop action and place it here, and we will simply change the admin shop into normal shop. We aren't finished yet. Go back to the environment and go to the unit that could open the shop, and we will move on to controls and key bindings. We will choose a new key binding. Key, we will choose B, and we'll run script open shop first. So save it. Is it easy? So let's try to publish it. So I've joined the game as UIB Brain 2 and I press the B key. It opened admin shop for me and have 4 items, including normal and VIP items. And then I join as Use Your Brain and I press the key B to open the shop. And it also have an admin shop for me. Finally, I join as a user, and when I press the key B, I just open a normal shop and having 2 items, which is normal. So by the same theory, we could add more people to the authorized people. So for example, I want to invite more for the VIP, so I could just type MCODE. So I will already invite Mo as authorized people in my game, and he will be a VIP in my game. But remember, we will need a comma at the end. So we will have comma at the front, between name, and at the back of the name. So that's all of today's video. If you like it, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you, bye bye.